The Nichols from Cardel Homes is a unique and smartly designed home filled with light from an abundance of windows. It's also a flexible home that provides many options for a wide range of growing and multi-generational families. Immediately off the front hall closet and foyer is a sunny flex room overlooking the yard. This room offers the potential for a great home office, dining room, workout room, or even a more traditional front parlor sitting room. A spacious two-car garage with an added tandem area provides room for a third car, workshop, motorcycle, or even a boat. Don't need that tandem space? The Nichols includes an option to convert that space into a main floor 5th bedroom with ensuite. On the back side of the main floor, you'll find a roomy kitchen overlooking a large nook and main living room with backyard views. A large central kitchen island and walk-in pantry provide loads of space for meal preparation, storage, and socializing. The bright and open great room features a vaulted ceiling, fireplace, and an abundance of natural light that flows through the large, architecturally inspired windows. The beautiful stairway, with extra-wide, extra-deep stairs that Cardel is known for, adds a central feature and spacious ambiance to this home. Upstairs, the master bedroom is located at the back of the home, away from other bedrooms for enhanced privacy. It features his and her closets and a spacious ensuite with 10 mil glass shower, soaker tub, and private water closet. 3 additional second-floor bedrooms include large windows and closets with double swing doors for easier access. A split bathroom located between the additional bedrooms is designed for sharing. While one person is brushing their teeth, another can have a shower in complete privacy. Even the second-floor laundry brings in natural light through a window, making it a bright and welcoming space for washing and folding. Cardel's Nichols single-family home is available in these popular Ottawa area communities.